Hi guys, today we're making honey butter salmon. My sister-in-law brought over salmon for Thanksgiving and it was so delicious I asked her for the recipe, but I added a little twist, including butter. It came out so amazing and it's an easy dish and another winner for my picky eater. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet, a 1/4 cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 garlic cloves minced. Begin by seasoning your salmon well with salt and pepper. In a bowl, mix together honey, melted butter, soy sauce, lemon juice, and minced garlic. Mix until well combined. Pour the sauce evenly over the salmon. Baste the salmon so that all the edges are covered with the sauce. Heat your oven to 400 degrees and bake for about 8 minutes. Remove the salmon and change oven setting to broil. The salmon won't be cooked through at this point and still kind of raw on the top. This is optional, but you could add a few lemon slices on top and baste again with the sauce. Place oven rack on the second row of your oven and broil for about 4 to 5 minutes until salmon is nice and browned. For the full written recipe, go ahead and read the description below. The salmon is perfectly tender and flaky, and the sauce is so delicious, I like to scoop it over some rice. It has a perfect balance of buttery, garlicky, salty, sweet, and sour. I just love super simple yet tasty meals just like this. And once again, yes, it's kid approved. Don't mind the Christmas pajamas. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't miss out on any of my simple and delicious recipes. Hit that red subscribe button below. Feel free to check out my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.